Imagine walking into an airport with just your phone. No check ins, no boarding pass, no long queues. Just a face scan at the gate and you're good to go. Sounds like science fiction? It's not. It's the future of flying and it's coming sooner than you think. In just a few years, we may no longer need the boarding pass, the check in counter, or even physical travel documents. A dramatic transformation is underway in global aviation, and it's being driven by a revolutionary idea, the digital travel credential. Let's unpack what this means, who's behind it, and how it will change your travel experience forever. The big force behind this shift is the International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO. This UN affiliated body sets global standards for civil aviation, and now it's spearheading a move that could upend long standing processes like check ins and boarding passes. ICAO plans to roll out new digital protocols globally within the next 2 to 3 years, marking one of the most significant overhauls in air travel in decades. At the heart of this transformation is a digital travel credential, a secure mobile based form of identification. It will store your verified passport data right on your smartphone, and when combined with facial recognition, it will allow airlines and airports to confirm your identity. No printed papers or manual check ins needed. The biggest change for you, the passenger, will be the Journey Pass. This pass is generated at the time of your booking and lives on your phone. It holds all your travel details. And here's the best part, any changes to your itinerary get updated automatically. That means no more online or airport check ins. When you walk into the airport, facial recognition technology at entry points will scan your face, alert the airline system, and confirm you're ready to board. That's it. Valerie Vial from travel tech firm Amadeus explains how different this is from the current system. Airlines today work in silos, she says. The reservation system and the check in system are separate, but with the Journey Pass, the entire process becomes continuous and dynamic. No handovers. Of course, this futuristic system can't run on outdated infrastructure. Airports worldwide will need major upgrades. Facial recognition systems will need to be installed at key checkpoints like entry gates, backdrops, security checks, and boarding gates. All these will need to instantly read and match data from your phone's digital credential. More importantly, these upgrades need to be standardized across the world. And that's a tall order. Vial points that some airline systems are over 50 years old and haven't changed because global consistency is crucial in aviation. This shift will need deep coordination between governments, airlines, airport authorities, and tech providers to make sure everything works together seamlessly. One major perk of the new system, better handling of flight disruptions. If your flight is delayed or you miss a connection, the Journey Pass can instantly notify you, provide updated boarding information, and reconfigure your travel plans, all in real time, right on your phone. No more long queues at help desks, no more hunting down airline staff, just automatic, seamless updates that keep your trip on track. Now, all of this sounds incredibly convenient, but what about your data? Privacy concerns are front and center in this new ecosystem, especially since the system involves scanning and temporarily storing biometric and travel data. Amadeus insists that data protection is baked into the system. Your data, they say, will be deleted within 15 seconds of each interaction, whether that's at a security gate or boarding kiosk. This extremely short retention period is meant to prevent misuse and ensure your identity is verified without compromising your personal information. Still, privacy advocates remain cautious, and many experts agree that robust data governance and transparency will be essential as this system rolls out. All said and done, this is the most sweeping reform of airport processes since the industry went paperless with e ticketing in the early 2000s. Now we're on the brink of another leap, one that could make travel more intuitive, responsive, and digital first. As Vial puts it, the industry has now decided it's time to upgrade to modern systems that are more like what Amazon would use. From boarding passes to biometric scans, from check in lines to seamless entries, air travel, as we know, is about to be reinvented. So, the next time you pack your bags, remember the only thing you might need at the airport is your face.